Honestly, iba yung energy nito sa akin paggamit ko tong relo. Ay, patay na eh. Pandiinan pare kasi workaholic ako eh. What's up guys? Another watch, another day. We're here again behind the desk. Naka-DN t-shirt na naman tayo guys. Shout out Tito Mikey. Maraming salamat. God bless. Pandiinan pare kasi workaholic ako eh. Today, we will be discussing something very personal to me. Gusto kong ipakita sa inyo yung one of my favorite watches of all time, which is one of my favorite vintage watches. It is the IWC Ingenieur. Yan. Napakaganda. For those who doesn't know or haven't seen me wear this, actually, halos lahat na ng videos ko, ito suot ko eh. Marami akong videos na ito yung suot ko. Kaya ang dami nagtatanong. So, ito, lalabas ko na siya. This is the IWC Ingenieur. This is reference IW3506. This is a vintage watch. This has been produced since 1980s. I got it actually very recently lang because I've been looking for this watch. What's very good with this watch guys, kasi since maliit nga yung wrist ko, yung maliliit na watches, yun talaga yung mga classic. Kasi before guys, since 1950s, 1930s, and all the way since before, na na-create pa, since Galby, Santoses, and yung mga Cartier na pinakauna is guys maliliit lang. We're talking about 30 to 36 mm lang yung mga case size. Etong vintage na to, na Ingenieur, is a 34 mm case size. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, napakaganda, very clean guys. I'm a big fan ng mga white dials. Hindi ko alam kung napapansin nyo ha. Parang hindi ako napapagod pag tinitignan ko yung oras eh. Pag tinitignan ko, it's white dial. Hindi ako napapagod pare. Parang game pa. Diba? May energy eh. Bakit nga ba napaka-special nito? Because guys, this very watch is one of the first watches na dinesign ni Gerald Genta. He's a Swiss watchmaker and an artist. One of the few watches that he also designed that's very popular is the Audemars Piguet na Royal Oak and also Patek Philippe guys. Yung Nautilus ni Patek Philippe, si Gerald Genta rin ang nag-design nun. Same guy who designed this watch, although this is a little less popular, which I like, kasi nga ayoko ng very common lagi eh. Napakaganda yan, napaka-clean. This is something that I don't think I would sell. How does it look like on my wrist? 34 mm, parang alit, diba? Pero not really because it has a very classic vibe, guys. Nakikita nyo? Nakikita nyo yung classic vibe niya? Ang ganda eh, oh. Classic vibe lang siya. Parang wala lang. Chill lang. This is very nice, guys. Honestly, iba yung energy nito sa akin paggamit ko tong relo nito. Like, I don't know, I just feel alive paggamit ko to. So, Gerald Genta, thank you so much. Ay, patay na eh. Actually, dahil dito, I even have also this one of my favorite watches is the Ingenieur din. Ito yung next generation naman. This is the first generation. And then this is the next generation. I like the IWC. I like this one. And tingnan nyo naman guys yung logo niya. Kung makikita nyo, it's still yung cursive na International Watch Company. This is valued today in the market for around 600 to 700,000 pesos. Yan. Ganda. Ito na lang susutin ko ngayon. Guhuhubarin to today. Bagay.